If you're someone who wants sharper hearing, you need to exercise your ears. Let's dive into some fun and easy ear workouts. Welcome to Body Fact. Today we're exploring an often overlooked part of our body, the ear. Believe it or not, working out your ears can enhance your hearing, improve balance, and boost overall ear health. First up, the jaw wiggle. Gently open and close your mouth while moving your jaw side to side. This helps reduce ear tension and improve circulation. Next, the ear massage. Use your fingers to gently rub and pull your earlobes. This simple move can help prevent hearing loss and improve focus. And finally, the head tilt. Tilt your head towards each shoulder and hold for a few seconds. This stretches the muscles around your ears, promoting better balance and relaxation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health tips right here on Body Fact. Let's keep those ears in top shape.